Princess Marie-Auguste of Anhalt was the daughter of Eduard, Duke of Anhalt, and his wife, Princess Louise Charlotte of Saxe-Altenburg. Early life and family. On 10 June 1898, Marie-Auguste was born in Ballenstedt, Anhalt, Germany, to the then Prince Eduard of Anhalt and his wife Princess Louise of Saxe-Altenburg. Her father would not succeed his brother Frederick II until 1918, the year he also died. Her paternal grandparents were Frederick I, Duke of Anhalt, and Princess Antoinette of Saxe-Altenburg. Her maternal grandparents were Prince Moritz of Saxe-Altenburg and Princess Augusta of Saxe-Meiningen. Marie-Auguste was raised in Dessau, the capital of the Duchy of Anhalt. She had 5 siblings, but her elder sister Friederike and brother Leopold died while infants. Marie-Auguste was an elder sister of Joachim Ernst, Duke of Anhalt. Marriage. On the 11th of March 1916 in Berlin, Marie-Auguste married Prince Joachim of Prussia, the youngest son of German Emperor Wilhelm II. She and Joachim, who was Wilhelm's last unmarried child, had been officially engaged since the 14th of October of the previous year. The wedding was celebrated at Bellevue Palace, and was attended by Joachim's father and mother Empress Augusta Victoria, the Duke and Duchess of Anhalt, as well as other relatives. They had a simple Lutheran ceremony. The couple had one son, Prince Karl Franz Joseph Wilhelm Friedrich Eduard Paul. The grandson, Prince Franz Wilhelm, married Maria Vladimirovna of Russia, a pretender to the Imperial Russian throne. Joachim's death. After her father-in-law Emperor Wilhelm's abdication, her husband was unable to accept his new status as a commoner and fell into a deep depression, finally committing suicide by gunshot on 18 July 1920 in Potsdam. One source reports that he had been in financial straits and suffered from great mental depression. His own brother Prince Eitel Friedrich of Prussia commented that he suffered from a fit of excessive dementia. Before his death, the couple had recently divorced. The direct causes are not really known to the public, only that there had been no previous report of marital troubles before the divorce was announced. Regardless of the reasons, this event may have also contributed to his depression. After Joachim's suicide, her son Karl Franz was taken into custody by his paternal uncle Prince Eitel Friedrich. As the legal head of the House of Hohenzollern, he claimed this right due to the fact that Emperor Wilhelm had issued an edict placing Hohenzollern powers in Eitel's hands. This was later declared to have been unlawful, and in 1921 Karl Franz's mother was given full custody of him. Despite having previously run away from her husband and despite numerous servants having testified against her, with Eitel's defense arguing that Marie-Auguste was unfit to be Karl Franz's guardian. However, she appeared in court and pleaded that she was heartbroken, which may have helped to win the case for her. In 1922, Marie-Auguste sued the former Emperor Wilhelm for the financial support that had been promised in the marriage contract between her and Prince Joachim. Wilhelm's advocate argued that the House of Hohenzollern laws were no longer valid, and therefore he no longer had an obligation to support her later life. On 27 September 1926, she remarried to Johannes Michael Freyr von Loen, a childhood friend. They were divorced in 1935, and Marie-Auguste reverted to her maiden name. Adoptions. Marie-Auguste was in financial straits in the final years of her life. As a result, she adopted approximately 35 adults, in an exchange of money for a claim to her royal style. In 1980, Princess Marie-Auguste adopted Hans Robert Lichtenberg, and he took the name of Frederick Prince von Anhalt. This has led to confusion in media reports about his being a member of a European royal family, which he is not. The family of Princess Marie-Auguste has never recognized him as being part of their lineage. Females did not convey a title to the children, natural or adopted, unless allowed under a grant from the sovereign. Therefore, Prince von Anhalt is merely a surname, as are all other titles he uses. In 1986, he married actress Jar Jar Gabor. Princess Marie-Auguste died on the 22nd of May 1983 at Essen, North Rhine-Westphalia, West Germany. Ancestry.